Hello students, good morning. We have been seeing the lesson number 2, that is P block elements. There the introductory part and the general trend in the properties of the P block elements we have completed. And now we are going to see each family, starting from boron family. The compounds of boron, their physical properties, their chemical properties and their uses we will see. Okay, va? Okay. Can you please remember what are the elements of boron family or 13th family? Yes, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Once again repeat it. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. So these are the elements of boron family, or we can say 13th group elements. Okay, va? Okay. Now we are going to see their occurrence. Occurrence means their sources, from where we can get these elements. Okay, va? Okay. First, boron is given. The boron is mainly exists as combined state. Combined state means we won't get pure boron from our surroundings. It will be in a compound form. Okay. Mainly the boron occurs as borate. What is the form of boron? It will be occurring in the form of borates. Okay, va? And the important O's of boron are, there are two important O's given. The first one is borax and the second one is kernite. Okay, so it can be asked in 2 more questions. What are the important O's of boron? What are they? Borax and kernite. And also the formula for every ore is given. Okay, the formula for borax is Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 8H2O. This is the formula for borax. What's the formula for borax? Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 8H2O. And for kernite the formula is Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 2H2O. Okay, so these are the important O's of boron. Boron mainly occurs as borates, and from two O's we can obtain boron. What are those O's? Borax and kernite. So with this boron over. Then aluminium. Aluminium commonly used metal in our household, isn't it? Okay, it is the most abundant in the sense available in the earth crust. This metal is available in a high percentage. Okay, so it is a most abundant metal, and mainly it will be occurring in the form of oxides. Aluminium oxide, Al2O3, aluminum. Okay, boron will be occurring as borate, whereas aluminium will be occurring as oxides, aluminium oxides, and also found in aluminosilicate rocks, a kind of rock. It is named as aluminosilicate rocks. From that also we can extract aluminium, and even it can be extracted from bauxite. This we have studied in first lesson, metallurgy. Bauxite we have studied, no? Okay, so aluminum can also be extracted from bauxite. The formula for bauxite is Al2O3 2H2O. With this the occurrence of aluminium is over. Aluminium is the most abundant metal. It mainly occurs as oxides. It also found in aluminosilicate rocks, and it can be extracted from bauxite. The formula for bauxite is Al2O3 2H2O. Okay, then the remaining elements, gallium, indium and thallium. So their percentage in the earth crust is very minimum. They occurs only in trace. Trace means very small. They occurs only in trace amounts, and they occur as their sulfides. Okay, aluminium we saw they exist as oxides. Boron we saw they exist as borates, whereas this gallium, indium and thallium, they exist as sulfides. Okay, so with this the occurrence of the elements of 13th group is over. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so go through this and learn well.